Getting started with ePayments for CS WinOMS practice management software. ePayments automatically posts credit card payments to your patient's ledger, saving time and reducing errors. If you are not currently an ePayments subscriber, contact a Carestream dental representative at 800-262-8593. Processing payments. For most credit card payments, you will use the credit card swiper to populate the appropriate fields in the software. If the card is not present, such as when the patient is making a payment over the phone, you can enter the information manually. To enter a payment, click the payment adjustment icon in the patient's record. In the payment adjustment code field, select the appropriate credit card payment code and press the Tab key. Credit card is automatically populated in the method field, and the credit card field displays using ePayments. In the amount field, enter the amount being charged to the credit card and then click Next. Swipe the card and the information automatically populates the window. When the card is not present, manually enter the credit card number, expiration date, and zip code. If the transaction requires a CVV number, you must enter it manually. This field is not populated by the card swiper. When the information is entered, click Print a Receipt and then click Submit. The ePayment service processes the transmission. If your office is experiencing issues with the software or internet connection, you can call to request a voice authorization for a charge of 25 cents per authorization. To retrieve a voice authorization, call the appropriate phone number. On the charge authorization window, select Offline No Modem. In the authorization number field, enter the number you are given over the phone and click OK. Refunding payments. A refund can be issued only to the credit card used for the original charge. Refunds are processed at the time of credit card settlement and are documented on the settlement report. To issue a refund to a patient's credit card, click the payment adjustment icon in the patient's record. In the payment adjustment code field, select the appropriate credit card refund code and press the Tab key. Credit card is automatically populated in the method field, and the credit card field displays using ePayments. In the amount field, enter the amount being refunded to the credit card and then click Next. Swipe the card, manually enter the credit card number, or use the Last button. Enter the amount of the charge being refunded, select Print a Receipt, and click OK. Receipts can also be printed after the transaction is complete. In the patient's ledger, select the transaction for which you want to print a receipt. Right-click the transaction and select Reprint Credit Card Receipt. This option is available only after the transmission process has completed for the transaction. Settling credit card transactions. At the end of each business day, the credit card settlement must be run in order to reconcile the credit card transactions and receive payments from the banks. Select Billing, ePayments, Settlement Stages. Any transactions displayed are pending settlements. Click Print to generate a pending settlement report before the transactions are settled. To settle the transactions, click Settle. To reprint a settlement report, select Billing, ePayments, Reprint Settlement Report. You are prompted to select a date range for the settlements to include. Enter the date range and click OK. This concludes getting started with ePayments for CS WinOMS practice management software.